Alright guys, today we have our next teardown, but it's not our engine, it's a TH400. It's going to be a TH400 that's going to go into the Buick. So let's get right into it. Yeah, so I'm going to do a full rebuild on this TH400. I'm going to replace all the clutches, put a trans brake in there, and all seals and whatever is messed up inside of it right now. We're going to change, and hopefully it's not messed up parts in there. But one way to find that out is to rip it apart. So I'm going to start off by taking off the tail housing, and then from there I'm going to turn it over and take the pan off and all that stuff. So yeah, let's jump right into it, man. Alright, in order for me to take this tail housing off, I gotta take this shaft out. So got a bolt in there that's 19 mil. Let's take that out. And then that's going to be a little bit hard to pull out, so what I'm going to do is just get a rubber hammer and just tap on it a little bit. See, it comes right out. Should pull right out. Alright, so now we're going to take off the rear tail housing there. So these are 14 mil. Let's take these off. Two more on the bottom here. It's going to be a bunch of oil coming out of there in a little bit. Alright, so I got all the bolts out. Put this aside. There you go. It's a tail housing. Rear bearing don't look bad. This look pretty clean. Inside look pretty clean. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it over and turn it over on the back, and then we're gonna take the oil pan off. Alright, so I got the TH400 on the, turn it over on the back. Oil coming out, that's expected. Oil don't look bad, it'll still look pretty rich. So don't look burned up or anything like that. Doesn't smell burn. So that might be a good thing. Alright, so let's take the pan off. The pan got these are all 13 mil bolts. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to take those off. So I don't have a fancy transmission stand. If you don't mind getting down, or if you have a table, you're good. This is how I build. This is how I build all my TH400. I built it for the Subaru and the Nissan 300Z out there, and so for the 300 we me and my brother rebuilt that like over 2 years ago or something like that, and take it to the truck, beat on it, still haven't had any problem. And Subaru is the same thing, still no problem with it. So get all the bolts. Alright, so I'm gonna get a screwdriver and pry this off. Flat pint screwdriver. Okay. Alright. What we got in here? Got some rust, but doesn't seem like you have a whole bunch of clutch pieces of burned clutch or anything in there, so that's good. A little rust from the pan. I guess not much oil was in it, just sitting down, I don't know. Alright, let's dig deeper. I'm going to take off this filter. It's a 13 too. You don't know what size exactly you're going to find in these things sometimes. Depends if nobody haven't went through them. Because people put like different bolts in them sometimes. And this this goes with the pickup tube over there. So what you do is just pull this out. Comes right out like that. This is the filter, the transmission filter. So you got the O-ring, pickup tube. Got an O-ring on the inside of that one. Alright, let's dig deeper. Alright, so let's take the valve body off. So some of these are 1/2 inch and I think 7/16. Yeah, these are 1/2 inch and some of them are 7/16. So let's keep on moving. I think that's it. So we're just going to get a screwdriver and pry it up. Pickup tube there for the valve body. You can just go like that. And it just comes all this apart right there. Then we're going to take this off. And that's how you take the valve body off. Alright, so we're going to take off the reverse servo now. These are 1/2 inch. So these usually got a spring in there, so it's going to come up a little bit once I loose the other bolt. Keep the bolts together. Got a spring in there. These look pretty good. So it's like a little piston inside. Looks pretty good. Put this aside. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this set screw that's right here that hold the drum on the inside, so you won't be able to pull them out. So we gotta take that off right there. And that usually be things are 3/8. 3/8 by the star point. This is loose. Okay, so this is not tight. There you go. Doesn't look like it's beat up or anything, so it might be still good. After that, I'm gonna stand it up and start pulling out the drums and stuff, forward drums and all that stuff. So let's do that. Alright, so I got it standing up. All I did is just put some brick on the bottom, just a little bit taller than the shaft, just so she could stand up, balance by herself. Yeah, so we're going to take off the transmission pump. These bolts are 1/2 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So let's take those out. Alright, so now I'm going to pry this up a little bit and just get a long screwdriver. And we're going to pry it up from through here. That should come right up. Got the seal around here. Look good, and that's your transmission pump. Look like in some good condition. Alright, so now I'm going to take out the forward drum. These you just grab on the shaft and pull it right out. And this is your forward drum. Alright, Cuff just showed up, so my brother just showed up. I'm gonna help him. Well, he's gonna help me tear this thing down. Yep. I'm almost there, but he just showed up, so I'm gonna get his hand dirty.
Let's do it.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna pull that out.
This is the intermediate one?
Yeah.
Pull this one out. Intermediate band.
Intermediate band. How it look?
Pretty good.
Looks pretty good, right? It's not bad.
The snap ring we gotta pull out.
Yeah. Oh my god, they're very soft.
Cheers.
Yeah, look.
These look brand new.
Just pull up on it. There you go.
Nice. So this one.
Pull this one out from there. Good.
Just take that part first.
Yeah. Set him over here. Let's see, just pull that out. That's pretty much everything right there. Look pretty good though. It's a reverse band.
Smooth.
That's pretty smooth.
It's got the mechanical speedo on there.
Yep. Alright, the inspection. Let's see what. Hold this light for me. Let's see what they got on the bottom here. Oh, it's flat. I think it's probably on the
So on the bottom of this?
yeah, on the bottom of that. That's their reverse
right
band. It's on there.
Yeah.
Old style. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna upgrade the bearing that goes on the bottom. So it's sit like this, like. So we're gonna upgrade that too. All right. Cool. So the reverse band look pretty good though. I'm not even gonna touch that.
There's got a lot of meat left on
Yeah, a lot. It still got like the grooves on it and everything. It's not worn out. So yeah, man. So that's how I pretty much tear down a 400. So I'm gonna go through the clutches and all the stuff on there, and I'm gonna order some new clutch and all of that, along with the trans brake. And whenever I get all the parts in, we're gonna build this thing back. Yep. Alright man, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. See you guys on the next upload.